friends, it's Miss Hazel.
And Miss Kate.
And I've got a little nature-inspired art for you today. This is something you could do outside, kind of as like transient. You could do it on a beach and it would be temporary, but this is not temporary because I glued it on my piece of cardboard. So here we are. I've got myself a piece of cardboard. I've got some glue. I love tacky glue. It's very fun. And then at my house, my daughter and I like to collect things when we go places. I don't know where these come from. I think they come from, I grew up in upstate New York in a town called Plattsburgh, which is on Lake Champlain. And I think that that's where these little treasures come from. So what I basically did was I looked at them and thought, well, I'll make them into kind of a circle-y mandala thing. So I just laid them down like that. Oh, you could make, maybe this time I'll make a sun, like a circle or a flower. Because it's spring and it's getting warm. So I just basically put them down and then I glued them down. So, but if you were on the beach or in the woods, you could use leaves or sticks. Miss Kate, what's that artist's name?
Andrew Goldsworthy.
Andrew Goldsworthy. He's got really cool stuff. You should look him up. Okay, look at this. It's kind of a fun sun. So basically you're just kind of playing around with it. You actually, oh my gosh, here's a crazy idea. What if you didn't glue it down? Look at that. I just made this sun. Wait, now I can make something else. I could make like a bunny rabbit. There's his nose. Okay, I could do this for hours. This is like the most fun ever.
Sometimes when we go to the Children's Museum in San Jose, they have in the back garden area, they have some temporary
stuff like this.
You can do. Yeah.
Oh, that would be, oh my gosh. All right, well, I may have to sign off here soon and just keep playing. Look at my animal. Maybe I'll give him some ears.
Okay. But if you were to glue it down, what would you do?
Oh, sorry, Miss Kate, I got distracted. Okay, I would just get my glue and I would open it and just put a little dot of glue under each one. I would make my design first. That's what I did here. I made my design first and then I glued it down. A little bit of glue at a time. Yeah. Oh, did you see that? I was in the zone.
I know.
So that's what you could do. You could glue it down. You could do it and let it turn into something else. You could leave them in nature, which maybe would have been a better idea, but they're so fun for me to play with. They make me feel like I'm back visiting my family in my wonderful little town. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining us. Take care. Bye now.